Hello students, how are you? Today the topic is image manipulation. Okay, this is a basic level. This is already we have done in the class. First image is water, orange, and fishes. Clear? Now we have to work on orange pick. First of all, change the size of canvas. Go to the image, this side, canvas size, and change the size in full HD, 1920 to 1080. You have to select here pixels. Okay, now see you can our canvas size is changed. Okay, now you can see that our background is transparent. Now I want background. I add a new layer from this. I just color on backspace. Now you can see black layer is upper and our origins are in background, but I want my change my background. Now you have to shift this to the down. Okay, clear? I add gradient from FX, gradient overlay. Okay, now I change the color of my background to the light gray. Okay, style linear to radial, and yes, okay, was, and also change reverse. Now you can see the without reverse, it will show like this, and if you select the reverse, then it will show like this. Clear? This part is clear. Now you can come to the layer 1. I change the name orange. Okay, okay. Now we have to use, you can see the orange and the orange slices in one layer. Now I want to select my orange slice with lasso tool. This one. Down to move tool. This one is lasso tool. First one. Only lasso tool. Don't use polygon lasso tool or magnetic. Use only lasso tool. Now you have to select your selection like this. Go to the edit, cut, edit, paste. Select your move tool. Now you can see um, your orange and your slices in both are in different layers. Okay. Now put it in the center, and I change the I want to rotate my slice. You have to click Control T like this. Now go to the corner and move your slice like this and like this. Clear? Now next step is I want shadows. Okay, at the back. Now I need new layer. Again I add new layer, and this layer should be in the back of your oranges like this. Last first layer is your background, then shadows. I change the name here. Shadow. Okay, then your oranges. Select on shadow layer, go to the brush tool. You can press B from your keyboard. I choose black color. Now you can change your brush style from here. Okay, I select soft rounded brush. This is available in journal brushes. Click on it, and now you can change your angle from this side. I just click on it and press down. You have to hold your key, okay, like this. Okay, at the now you can see in down, left side down, okay, which the keys I am pressing, it will show in this black box. Okay, you can see left click and hold. Okay, now I release this. Okay, now you can see our angle is changed. Now you can see I select black color. Opacity should be 100 and flow 100%. Now I decrease my brush by using bracket tool. Okay, like this. You can also see which keys I am pressing. Just click on it like this. Okay, it will look like your shadows. Clear? Now next step is you have to select your orange slice. Please check the layer. This is your orange slice and select this layer. I want to zoom little bit. Press Alt and wheel from mouse. Now I go to the quick selection. This one. Click on it. Second is quick selection tool. I want this and increase little bit size. Okay. Now you have to select inner area of your orange slice like this. Clear? Okay. Now you have to go to the select and inverse. Okay. Now you can see next to the FX tool there is a add layer marks. This one you have to select this like this. Okay. Clear? Now you can see your mask is already added. If I want to remove this area, you have to select your brush tool. Again, I change my angle to the normal, okay, like this, and decrease my size of brush. Okay, now you can see if there is a black color in foreground, your mask is work like it will remove all things like this. Okay, and if there is a white color in your foreground, and it will reappears. Okay, but I want black color in foreground to remove all things like this. Okay, clear? Okay. Now, our next step is I want water. I want to fill water in this area. Now I want that to drag my water. Just select your move tool. Okay, click on your water and just drag it to the original layer, original PNG, and now release it. Okay, your water will appear here. Now you have to resize your water according to your orange slice. Okay, just match your one corner like this. Okay, you can see there that is one corner. Okay, clear? Okay, now you have to click Control T to resize. Okay, When you select, click Control T in top properties, you can see here this is this is the option. You can wrap your image. Okay, you can see that switch between wrap and wrap modes and transfer modes. Okay, when you click on this, now you can see your bounding box will change. Okay, now you can click on it and easily move this like this. Clear? Okay, clear. No need to adjust full image, but you need to adjust your corners like this. Okay, a little bit change again like this. Yeah, yeah, clear. Now you have to decrease the opacity of your water. You have to select this layer, and I will change the name water. I decrease the opacity of water to the 20%. Because I increase the opacity of my water to see the transparency. Okay. Now you have to select add your mask from here like this. Again I select brush tool. Now zoom it. I want to remove all this area. Okay. First of all I decrease my brush tool a little bit. I increase the opacity. Now I have to remove like this. Okay. Take your time to remove this accurately. Okay. Adjust your brush according to you. Okay. You can see I am changing my brush in small size and in large size according to my need. Clear? Move like this. When I press spacebar from my keyboard, your hand tool will appear and you can move like this. This I'm moving now. You have to press spacebar and hold it and you can move your document. Okay, clear? Okay. Now I zoom out and increase my brush size and outer area. I just increase my brush. Okay, clear? Now increase opacity to opacity to 100%. Okay, now you can see. Sorry. Okay. Now next step is, you know that water is basically a transparent. So I want to see my orange from this area, back orange from this area. You just click on your mask, water mask like this. Just click on it, and again I pick my brush tool, increase my size of brush. Now this time you have to decrease the opacity of your brush to 10, in between 10 to 15. Okay, just click on it 2 or 3 times like this. Now you can see From background you can see the orange. Okay, and again you have to increase the brush opacity of your brush, and this time at this area, okay, I want little bit darker. So I want to change my color swatch from black to white like this. Now I use my brush tool. Okay, you can see that it will be a little bit darker. Clear? This step is clear. Uh, now, next step is I want fish in this small aquarium. Again, same step. Go to the fish. Now you have to select only one fish. I just pick my lasso tool and cut this layer like this. Select all my layer. Go to the edit and copy, and go to the original layer, edit and paste. Now you can see that your fish is here. Now change your size of fish by pressing Ctrl T. Okay, like this. I just want to adjust my fish here. Okay, like this. Now you have to change the blending mode of your fish from normal. This you can see here is a normal to multiply. Okay, and the last step is you have to add mask. Add layer mask. Okay, again press brush tool, increase the size of your brush, and I want black color in foreground, and you have to change the opacity this time to the 15. Okay, and just click on back area of your fish like this. I just zoom it. Yeah, now you can see that it helps to blend your fish with water. Basically, the fish is in the water. That's why we have to need to blend it. First of all, you have to select multiply, blending mode, and use mask. I just press Ctrl 0 to fit my image. Now you can see our aquarium is small aquarium is ready. So you have to save this. You can press Ctrl Alt S from your keyboard and change the size. Select the format JPG to the desktop. Save. This is already saved, so I just replace it. Okay. Now you have see the option quality. You have to click on maximum and large, and format option is baseline standards. Okay, clear. Now you can see that at the desktop orange copy. Okay, open it. Okay, clear. I hope you understand all these things. Okay, see